Libra, Wednesday is the day the week finds its balance, and balance is your native language. Today you are genuinely in your element in a way that the rest of this week has not quite allowed yet. Today is Wednesday, June 24th, 2026. Welcome to Astro Healing. Venus and Mercury together today create a genuinely beautiful midweek energy for Libra that combines your natural grace and diplomacy with a sharpness and clarity of communication that is not always available to your sign. Today you are both completely charming and precisely clear, both harmonious in your approach and genuinely decisive in your direction, both the most pleasant person in any room and the one with the clearest understanding of what needs to happen next for everyone involved. In your career, a situation that has required careful diplomatic navigation all week long reaches a genuinely productive resolution today. Your ability to see all sides of any issue, to find a language that honors every perspective while still moving things meaningfully forward, earns you something real today. Not just professional progress, but genuine respect from the people who watched how you handled the entire situation with such grace and clarity. Financially, a financial communication today produces a positive result you genuinely needed this week. A message you send, a call you make, or a conversation you have about money today is received more favorably than you expected going into it. Venus supports Libra financial communications on this Wednesday in a meaningful and direct way. If there is a money conversation you've been delaying because you were afraid of how it might go, have it today. In love, Libra, today is genuinely romantic in the most natural and completely unforced way possible. Venus on a Mercury Wednesday creates a flow of real love, beauty, and authentic connection that requires no effort or performance from you. Just two people fully present with each other, letting the natural warmth between them do exactly what it always wanted to do when given enough space and quiet. Create that space tonight deliberately and without distraction. Health for Libra today centers on your kidneys and your lower back specifically. Drink water consistently throughout the entire day today. Set reminders if you need to because your body tends to forget to hydrate when your mind is engaged in genuinely interesting work. Also, if tension has accumulated in your lower back this week, 10 minutes of slow, deliberate stretching focused on that area before you sleep tonight will release more tension than you expect and allow deeper sleep. Spiritual message for Libra on June 24th. True harmony begins genuinely inside you before it can exist anywhere around you. Before you mediate anyone else's conflict today, sit with your own inner scales for 5 quiet minutes. Where do you feel genuinely out of balance right now? What have you been giving too much of? What have you been withholding from yourself? The harmony you create so effortlessly in the world is only truly sustainable when it flows from an inner equilibrium you actively protect every single day. Comment Libra below and tell me how your Wednesday is feeling. Hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel grow. And subscribe with the bell on. See you tomorrow. Take care.